Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this quick haul that I picked up. These are some sticker kits that I got that I will be showing in a different haul. But today I want to talk about the Erin Condren bundle that I purchased. I purchased it back in April. And I know I'm just like now doing the video, but I thought it was super cool. I'm ready to use it, so I thought I'd show it to you guys. The first thing that I noticed is that I've never received one of these little magazine things. Like, I'm not sure if they come in every bundle, but I thought it was super cute. I really liked the whole quality of it. It gives you discount codes in there. And I liked that you could see like what additional stuff she sells as far as stationery and things like that. But yeah, that was a super cute touch. I also got the Layers Clear Clutch. I thought it was really good quality. I was expecting like a little bit more, I don't know, I guess thinner, but it's pretty thick. I like, that it's clear, it's super cute, so I can see what's in it. The zipper and the whole top of the leather is super, super nice. And, I just thought it was really great quality overall. Like, I don't think the strap is going to break or anything. But yeah, I just thought it was super cute, a nice little gold touch. It was easy to zip up and clothes, and I thought it was great overall. Let's see, what else did I get? I also got the dual tip 6-pack markers. When I originally looked at this, I looked at that end right here, and I was like, oh, I don't know how it's gonna work, But then my husband was like, did you see the other end? I was a lot more excited that it came with a smaller end, so that way you can do all your like fine writing in it and everything. So I thought those were super cute, and all the colors were really nicely summery made, spring made. So I thought those were really cute. So I also got the sticky note dashboard. I thought the stickies were super cute. I really liked that it was snapping, so these were really easy to go in my planner. They had really nice little flowers and everything. Yeah, see the snap in. Overall, I thought these were great and functional, and I'll definitely be using all of these in my planner too. Those are super cute. You also get in there a little, what is it called? Like a sticker book? Like, what is it called? The sticker book I thought were really nicely made. They come in foil. Um, they were just super cute. Look at those. Yeah, these were definitely super cute. Long weekend, busy weekend. Cute little hearts. And the colors look great too. That they were super cute. So overall, packaging wise, I think she did such a great job. The whole little paper thing is such a cute little touch. As always, you get her card. Welcome to Erin Condren, and then I don't know why, but I don't really find myself using these little cards. I think they'd be cute, but I just don't have anywhere to put them. Can you guys give me some ideas of where I can put those? I do use those, what are they called, stickers, to put on gifts and boxes, but I thought those were super cute. The box itself that the planner comes in, I thought was a great touch. I've never gotten a planner like that, super fancy and just cute. Again, more wrapping paper. Let's see, I'm going to focus you guys a little bit, but oh, there it is. Super nice as always. I think Erin Condren has just like the nicest quality planners. I think the rulers are stepping up their game because this one feels a lot thicker, sturdier, not as bendable like my other ones just bend super easily, but this one I have a feeling it's going to last a while, so I really enjoyed that. The colors, again, super pretty. You can write in this one like a white erase kind of thing. Have enough courage to start. You get your little overview. I like those. Let's see, mine starts in July, so this is the month where I'll be starting. But again, this whole layout totally new to me because I have like the old planners. But I really like the colors in the box. I think I'm gonna be putting pictures in there for me, like my favorite picture of the month or something, just so I can keep it as a memory. Again, July. The artwork was super cute to me. August. I just thought all the colors were so pretty. And I think the quotes, they're like spot on. They're super motivating as always. March, let's see, June of 2021. That's when I'll be getting a new one. I just thought they were super cute, and then you get a couple of blank pieces to write in. And the next piece is let's keep in touch. So I mean, I don't really use this part just because everything's already on my phone, so I don't really save any phone numbers. But you get another little overview of the month. I think this would be cute to write down like dates of birthdays and things like that for family. Again, foiled stickers. Oh, so pretty. Let's see. Let's focus, you guys. Yeah, these are super, super pretty. Those teardrops and oh, and I mean, Erin Condren stepping up her game too, I think, with all of these stickers. Look at how cute they are. Happy birthday. I'll definitely be using those. She has more foils in those. I really like these pockets. Again, they seem a lot more sturdier. You get another little book. And I think these are just, yeah, with the months. I don't really use those. If you guys have any ideas on what we could use those for, like, let me know. But again, important contacts and stuff like that, I don't really use those. But I thought, I mean, it's super cute. I'll definitely find a use for it if you guys want to help me out. Overall, I think the whole bundle was just awesome. Again, the artwork's super, super cute. I got this whole bundle for about $96. I did look online, and right now, you know, it does say that it's on sale for like $77 or something, so definitely a lot cheaper. So if you do want to get this bundle, I would definitely get it. I definitely do recommend it. I'm super, super excited to use it with all my new kits that I'm going to be getting. And, you know, I think just overall, it's super great. But yeah, I mean, definitely I'm super excited to use my kits that I got recently to using this one, because if you guys have watched my previous videos, you'll see like a lot of the kits didn't fit. But now I'm super excited because now I definitely know they will fit. But yeah, and I think last time, you know, because I was getting behind, like if I didn't use a kit or something during that week, I'd be like, oh, I missed it. But now I think I'm just going to write them in so that way, like, I can just continually to use them, you know. But, I mean, again, overall, thought it was great. So yeah, here is everything you get, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!